My name is Kathy Cargile, and I am a member of the Roxton Volunteer Fire Department. Ørsted brings economic development, tax benefits, as well as additional volunteer and emergency services in our community.
With the donation from Ørsted, Brookston purchased a side-by-side that has allowed us to service fires whenever the ground is wet in places that we couldn't get with larger trucks, even pickups.
I think Ørsted has been a good neighbor to Roxton and Brookston.
I feel that Ørsted has been very reliable. They've done what they promised they would do, and they've helped out. Clean energy definitely will help rural communities in the fact that it brings in money and jobs.
So I think that the communities need to do their research and find out who they need to partner with, and partner with a company like Ørsted.